Binance US Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Binance US are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's a solid choice for crypto investors in the United States. Binance US is the regulated version of Binance, tailored for American users, offering a mix of low trading fees, a strong selection of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading tools. It provides access to 150 plus cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced traders. One of its biggest advantages is low trading fees, starting at 0.1% for spot trades, which can be further reduced by using Binance's native BNB token. This makes Binance US one of the cheapest exchanges in the country. Free USD deposits are available via ACH, wire transfer, or debit card, though card transactions come with a 3.75% fee, which is on the higher side. For traders looking for advanced features, Binance US provides spot trading, OTC trading, and staking on multiple cryptocurrencies. The platform also supports recurring buys, allowing users to automate their investments over time. However, it lacks futures and margin trading, which are available on the global Binance platform but restricted in the US due to regulations. Security is another strong point. Binance US follows strict KYC, Know Your Customer regulations, and uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for assets, and FDIC insurance for USD balances held in custodial accounts. This ensures a high level of protection for user funds. A key downside is limited availability, as Binance US is not accessible in Hawaii, New York, Texas, and Vermont due to state regulations. Additionally, while it offers a wide selection of assets, it still has fewer trading pairs compared to the global Binance platform. Overall, Binance US is an excellent choice for American traders who want low fees, a solid selection of cryptocurrencies, and strong security measures. It's ideal for spot traders and long-term investors, but lacks margin and futures options. If you're looking for a cost-effective and secure way to invest in crypto, check out the links in the description to get started.